Hey, let's take Howie on an adventure. You want to go on an adventure? Come on, buddy. You want to run with the big dogs? Can't stay on the porch. Get him, Weave. Jump him. Don't you woof at them neighbors. Come on. Come on, Howie. Come here, kitty, kitty. Well, this is embarrassing. Whoa! They both fit on Weave's stump. This is awesome. Come here, kitty. Look at him. It's adventure time. Buddy's ready for adventure time. Come on, buddy. Well, it's Howie's first adventure. Come here, Howie. Come here, kitty. Come here, bub. Quit chomping my cat. Crazy coyote. Wow. She sneak up on you? Don't chomp him. Come on, we're doing adventure. You want to come play? He thinks he's hiding. Don't go get muddy. Bring him back up here, Wave. Chomp his ass and bring him back up here. Come on. Chomp him. Chomp. This is his first time off the deck and outside. He's loving it. Keep going. Go get her. Hi, baby. Why are you so spooky all the time? It's all new, isn't it? Chomp, chomp. No, don't whine. He's trying to play. Whoa, get up there. Get up there. Yes! You busted your ass, you suck. Get back up there. Get up there. Get up that tree. Get up that tree. Get up there. You little goofball. Oh no, now big bad coyote. You need to learn to get up there. Duck. Teach him. Come on. She's been eating clamshells again. Get it. Get it. Get out of there. We can't see you. You like condensation? Want the condensation? Lick it. There you go. That's how you get your drinks out here with us. Oh! He almost bent your beak. Get her. Go get her. Oh, he's mad at you, duck. He's mad at you. Get him. Get him. Get him. Kitten cam. Kitten cam. Watching all the kitten cam stuff. Get him. Get him. Get him. You're such a good boy. You're a good boy. Oh, no. Don't bark at him. That even hurt my ears. Come here, little man. You're getting all muddy. I'll give you a bath. Don't punch him. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Get her. Whack, whack, whack. Oh, that was like a combination. I wish I knew boxing combinations. Man, I'd call this shit out. Huh? You're a good boy. See if we can get her jealous. Nope, she wants to chomp my kitty. Oh, Duck's such a good boy. He's such a good boy. Weave. I'm petting Duck. She ain't gonna get jealous. Nope. He's having so much fun. He's having fun, baby. He's never been outside. Not off the deck. This is great. You better not fall in the river. You better not fall in the river. You come here. Come on, this is bullshit. Come on, get out of there. You little shit. I got you. 15 foot. Go back up the hill. What? What are you doing? Get back down here. Oh my God, you're having a blast. You're having a blast. This is how we do it. Man, you're always vocal. Man, you're slimy. She made you all slimy. Oh, I could hear you purr. Get him, Duck. Go get him. You're so spunky. Oh my God, you're four-wheel drive. Come here. Want a beer? Nope. Guess what I brought for you? You get a piece. You get a piece. Once more. Good girl. Good boy. Where'd he go? Let's go find him. Don't forget to stay hydrated. I'm going to give him 5 doll hairs if he jumps off this riverbank. 5 whole doll hairs. Do it, buddy. No balls. No balls. Come on. Do it. Oh my gosh, you caught something. You don't know what you caught. Whoa. Stealthy coyote. Has his eyes on the kitty. Will it be a fight? Oh yes, boom. Quit whining. Come here. Quit whining. Oh, he's after you. Now he's hissing you. Come here, baby. Come here. You want a beer? Come here. Come here. You want a beer? No? You don't want to get drunk at babysit, do you? Yeah, that'd suck. Want a beer? Well, come here, you little shit. Oh, crash. Go get her. Go get Weave. Get up there and get her. You get up there and get her. There she is. Get her. Go get her. Don't whine, baby. He's okay. He just wants to play. Look at him. He's stalking you. Nope, he's coming back down. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, she's going to find you. He's down here. He's down here. Come get him. Come get him. Come on, baby. You can play. He's coming to you. He's going to pounce you. You're so stealthy. You're a little cat in the jungle. Chomping. Chomping. Chomp. Come here, baby. Come here. Come on, hot dog. Ja. Nope. Duck. Nope. Duck. Now you get a piece. You get a piece. Thanks for sharing. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. You guys got to play with him. Nobody likes playing with their little brother. Oh, yes, it's on. Chomp. You're so sweet. Oh, there he goes. Come on, baby. That's some high quality H2O. Hey, baby. There he is, man. He's having a freaking ball. This is his first trip out. Spitting on the block on the bank. Wasting time. That's the redneck version. What'd you find? What'd you find? Turn your volume up. There's a neighbor, the rival neighbors. She's on alert. You want to sing to him, Weave? Oh, look at him digging holes.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad. You ready to go to the house, buddy? It's getting dark. He thinks he's hiding, Duck. Don't interrupt him. You're coming around awesome, though. Here you go digging them holes again. Come on, it's getting dark. Let's go to the house. Chase him back up here. There you go. Get him. Herd dog. He's like a freaking rabbit. Come on, buddy. Whoop. He's wanting the box. Get him. Get him. Oh no, you heard the neighbor coyotes. Get your ass up here. Come on. Come on, baby. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Get up here. Whoa, is that a fish? You hear that fish jump? Come on, buddy. Come here, Coyote. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go to the house. I'm not going over there. You done heard the neighbors. Let's go. You get out of the cooler. Come here, buddy. It's go home time. Come on. I gotta catch you. You're so vocal. Let's go home. Welcome to the jungle.